I found this little notebook that apparently contains 4 hidden secrets to finally stop doom scrolling, and apparently the 4th one actually has to do with a notebook. Let's see what it says. Hidden secret number 1, hijack the trigger, not just the habit. Instead of trying to overcome the habit of doom scrolling, start by identifying the trigger. Is it boredom? Is it frustration? Is it stress? Once you know your trigger, the next time you begin doom scrolling, you can have a better idea why, and with that knowledge, you can override the habit of doom scrolling with a solution to the actual problem. Hidden secret number 2, shrink the infinite. Every time you open your social media app, give yourself a purpose and a time limit. Once that purpose has been achieved and or that time limit has been reached, put the phone away. It could be to take a 5-minute break or to check updates for 3 minutes, but once that purpose has been achieved, you put it down. Intentional use is the antidote to doom scrolling. Hidden secret number 3, flip the feed into fuel. Curate your social media feed. Unfollow accounts and hit not interested on posts that are negative, toxic, or addictive, and follow accounts and like and hit interested on posts that motivate you and inspire you. Doom scrolling is often a result of not the phone necessarily, but the content that is on the phone. Control the content and you control doom scrolling. And finally, hidden secret number 4, use the power of the written word. Carry a notebook around. In cases of boredom, take out a notebook instead of your phone. Write down any ideas that come into your head. Write down anything you find interesting. Write out your feelings in that moment. Write out your next day. Write out what happened the previous day. Write out your goals, break them down. When you do this instead of doom scrolling, you will have a clearer mind and feel better about yourself.